On App Talks, we like to wrap up by sharing a little peer-to-peer advice. So, having gone through this process of not having backup and restore to now having it, what advice would you share with our viewers who may be going through a similar challenge?
I think it's really important to think about what would happen if you walked into work one day and your data was different than how you left it the night before. And if it's imperative to run your business on Salesforce, you need to do something to protect your data. No one's going to do that for you. You need to be proactive and do that yourself.
So it's a common misconception that data that you delete is easily recoverable. It's not actually true. It's completely on you. And with a solution like OwnBackup, you can feel comfortable knowing that you can recover all of the data that you lose. It's very, very important, especially in a business like ours, that we have something that's that simple and that intuitive. And that's what OwnBackup gives to you.
Well, it's great advice. It's a great story. Thank you guys again for having me here in Chicago, and thanks for joining us on App Talks.
Thanks for having us.